Hey, we thought we were eating pretty healthy, but we're not. You see, about a month back, we heard some news that we couldn't unhear. The things they don't tell you at your grocery store.
Fresh produce loses more than half its nutrients in just 8 to 10 days, but the average time from harvest to grocery store is 5 to 7 days plus however long it sits in your fridge.
That news hit us hard. We've always believed in feeding our family well. We shop at farmers markets and we thought, okay, we could get the garden going again. But let's face it, our growing season is 5 months long. The rest of the year, we're at the mercy of grocery store produce. Plus, we're busy, like everyone. So sometimes there's going to be some of... Or... So we needed to find a better solution. Hey, Google, help. And that's how we got our harvest wall, because it lets us grow our healthy food right at home. The harvest wall provides all the organic, pesticide-free, freshly picked greens we need, and even berries or tomatoes or cucumbers. You can configure it for up to 108 growing ports. That's enough to feed a family of 4, according to FDA nutritional standards for greens. Which you can totally do this way if you've got a green thumb or two, and a couple dozen square feet to spare. And not too many of these. Or this. Or you can grow with a harvest wall. Just fill the reservoir, and the wall does the rest. With grow lights. And... Never thought I would see that. Ever. Or even this. From harvest to table, 2 minutes. With every bit of the nutrition and all of the flavor. Rose, eat your... Oh, never mind. Fresh produce at your fingertips. Buy a harvest wall at shop.harvest.today.